Hello and welcome. Today I've got this compact integrated motorhome from Laika. It is the Ecovip H2109 2109 and it is only 658 centimeters in length. Oh, I got that wrong. 659. Sorry, I can't remember the lot. 225 in width, 296 in height. It can sleep up to 5 people. We'll have a look at where they're going to sleep. But at the back, you see there's a German layout. One side's 197 centimeters long, and the other side's 185 centimeters long. And we have all of these extras, which take the price from 101.5 to nearly 123. The most expensive extra is this one, a automatic gearbox. Oh, well, I don't like automatic gearboxes anyway, but I am in an absolute minority on that one. In fact, I did a test at Dusseldorf a few years ago. Went around asking people in the press room what they preferred, and of the 26 people, 24 said automatic, one said couldn't care less, and the only one, and perhaps I shouldn't have included myself, but I did. I was the only one that wanted a manual gearbox. All right, so one side's longer than the other, though admittedly, despite the fact we just saw it's more than 10 centimeters longer on this side, it doesn't really look that way when we're inside. The width, however, of the vehicle does somewhat stand out. It seems to be wider than it actually is. This would be a very nice vehicle, in fact, I think, to have a widthwise bed at the back, which is my favorite layout anyway. And 195, you possibly could get 195 centimeters across at the back. Oh no, not possibly, certainly would do. All right, here we've got light. Do you notice that light came on as soon as I opened this up? There's a wardrobe. We've got on the other side a pulley out thing. There's the pulley out thing. It's a pull out, what can I call that? A pull out shelf. I'll have a look down here as well. Oh, there you go, there's the water tank. In the double floor, I'm a big believer in double floors. This also will come out. There we go, and it clicks. I'm not going to pull that all the way because I'm going to push it back in, and sometimes I can't push it back in because you need 2 hands for the clips at either end. And there's a bit of storage in there, storage in here, and if I walk up here, hoping it doesn't move under me because it's not locked in position, come round here like that. We can see down the vehicle. Nice wide open space if you like wide open spaces, and if you don't, then it's a horrible wide open space. Up here we've got a lot of space which is open as well, and in there we've got USB. That's handy for charging your phone. And here we've got these openings which I'm not at all keen on. It looks as though somebody stuck some bubble gum on there and written push on it. So I'll push that in there. Will it open? No, it won't. Let's have another go. Will it open? There it does. Have we got a ledge in here? We've got a sort of a ledge, but not much of one. What's that, about 12 millimeters or something like that, and I guess. Right, if I come round to the back as well, we've got this bubble gum with push written on it, and you can see here, bit of space at the back. Now, I do not like these openings like that. This push opening like that. The other openings, the other Laika vans, which I do like, got a window on either side with one of these net curtains. And now some people have mentioned in other videos, oh, I don't want the kitchen next to the bed. Well, where are you going to put the kitchen? And I mean, you know, something has to go next to the bed. So, right, I did mention this. This will now slide back. If I just touch it like this, see, nice and easy. It wouldn't have been that easy if I had locked it in position, which is of course what you should be doing if you're having it normally in use, because normally you're not actually filming things as you're walking around. Here we have this really large washroom. You think that's not really large washroom? Got a bigger one than that in my house. Yeah, but your house doesn't have an engine on, does it? So this here is a false wall, so we can move it to one side via this. And it comes out like that. should you want to wash yourself down there. Oh, we've also got a sink down there as, sorry, not a sink, a what do you call it? A plug, drainage. Sorry, it's a drainage hole. I should say, because in my dialect that's a plug, but it's the plug is the thing. You stop things getting water getting out with it. Say it's drainage. So, and down here, nice duct board. And I see we have got a drainage there, and on the other side there are filters that go into the drainage there, and which is a great thing. Hymer it's a Hymer group, like as part of Hymer, and so Hymer do use these drainage things, and those filters really are good because they catch the things that fall off your body, all the stones and the boulders and dead birds and things that you collect on you. Here we have the kitchen, and I'll open one of these just to make the point that there are drawers, same drawers again that Hymer group's using across, which aren't much good. They do look different, but they're exactly the same thing. Cosmetically they look different. This is nice, I like that. Over here we've got a fridge. Incidentally, there'll be more information in the description, including the size of the fridge. Unless of course I've forgotten to write it in, which might well be the case. There we go. Lovely deep sink. Look how deep it is. Great that if you want to wash anything up. On the other side we've got 3 burners. And close this down like that. Up here, now we've got an enormous storage thing here. There we go. So 2 compartments, and there's a bit more of a ledge there. That's your extractor fan. Oh, it's a nice extractor fan as well, very indiscreet. It is possible to make a bed down here as well. So you can actually get 5 people in this, including, so there'll be 2 up there, 1 down here, and 2 in the back. Let's see if I can open this. No, I can't. It doesn't matter. I understand why they don't want people opening that at events of this nature. Notice this floor flat all the way back. Extension here for the kitchen. Yeah, we'll have a quick look, see what's down here to make the point of the double floor. 1 battery in there. Be nice if we could take more. Can I take more? You'd have. Well, I suppose you could take more, but the other ones are going to have to go somewhere else. You might have to put more than that. You'd have to put it somewhere else. Look at that, really deep. That's about what? 35 centimeters in depth. Excellent. I like double floors. Let's come here to the garage. 250 kilos will go in this. Stacks of space. I said it was a compact van, 7 meters in length, and but I don't know if 7 is compact, but anyway, that's absolutely fantastic garage size. Oh, let's close that. And bike, you can put bike, and I put my bike in there, in fact. It wouldn't have to go on the back. So, let's come to the front. And there you go. That is the Laika Ecovip H2109 compact motorhome. Thanks very much for watching. There is far more information in the description, and for the moment, all the best from me in Germany.